Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best chain lube spray is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked maintenance items for any motorcycle rider, ensuring your chain operates smoothly, extends its lifespan, and delivers power efficiently to the rear wheel, ultimately enhancing your riding experience and safety on every journey, whether it's a daily commute or an adventurous road trip. Number 5. DuPont Teflon Chain Saver. Introducing the DuPont Teflon Chain Saver, an 11-ounce dry self-cleaning lubricant designed for superior performance. It's engineered to keep your chains running smoothly and efficiently. This advanced lubricant ensures no fling-off, keeping your surroundings clean. Plus, it's completely safe for O-rings, protecting your components. Its dry formula actively resists dirt, preventing buildup and maintaining optimal chain function. You can trust it to keep your chains cleaner for longer. Formulated with Teflon and moly, it provides exceptional wear protection for your chain. These powerful ingredients extend the life of your components. This lubricant is highly water-resistant, offering reliable performance in various conditions. Furthermore, it's non-staining, keeping your equipment looking pristine. What we like. This lubricant offers a clean application with no fling-off, keeping your bike spotless. If you're tired of messy chains and want a lubricant that stays put and resists dirt, this is an excellent choice. Its dry formula ensures a clean ride, perfect for those who prioritize aesthetics and low maintenance. What people say. No reviews available from the provided source. No reviews available from the provided source. Number 4. Maxima 74920 Chain Wax. This advanced formula is perfect for all chain types, including O, X, and Z-ring designs. It ensures comprehensive care for your entire drivetrain. Whether you're riding in wet or dry conditions, it provides reliable lubrication. You can trust it to perform consistently, no matter the weather. Say goodbye to messy fling-off that dirties your equipment. It stays exactly where it's needed, keeping your components clean and protected. Its superior surface tenacity ensures it remains in place, reducing wear and tear. Enjoy a smoother, quieter ride with enhanced durability. Engineered with advanced additive chemistries, it actively prevents corrosion and significantly reduces friction. This extends the life of your chain and improves efficiency. What we like. This chain wax is incredibly versatile, suitable for all chain types and effective in both wet and dry conditions. If you ride in varied environments and need a single solution that performs reliably everywhere, this product has you covered. It also significantly reduces chain noise, ensuring a quieter and smoother ride. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract helpful points. Number 3. BTAS Dry Bike Chain Wax Lube with Ceramic and PTFE. Introducing the ultimate protection for your bike chain. This wax-based formula is designed to perform in all conditions, especially dry and dusty environments. It effectively shields against contaminants, keeping your ride smooth. Experience unparalleled performance with its advanced formula. It significantly reduces friction and energy consumption, ensuring silky smooth gear shifts. Your drivetrain will operate with maximum efficiency. This ultra-durable lubricant penetrates deeply, providing long-lasting protection for your chain. Beyond the chain, you can also use it on derailleurs, shifters, cables, and brake pivot for comprehensive care. It's not just good for your bike, it's also friendly to the environment. This biodegradable lubricant resists moisture and doesn't attract excessive grit, dirt, or dust. This helps keep your chain cleaner and extends its lifespan. Whether you're hitting the road or tackling mountain trails, this is the perfect choice. It's suitable for all types of bikes, ensuring your chain is protected no matter where you ride. What we like. Featuring a unique wax-based formula with ceramic nanoparticles, this lube ensures ultra-durable protection and significantly reduces friction. If you're a performance-oriented rider looking for maximum drivetrain efficiency and long-lasting lubrication, this is designed for you. Its advanced composition keeps your chain running smoothly and quietly for extended periods. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific product points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Motul C1 Chain Cleaner and C2 Lube Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for optimal road chain maintenance. It includes a powerful cleaner, a high-performance lubricant, and essential tools to keep your motorcycle running smoothly. Its advanced, chlorine-free formula effectively washes away grime and dirt. This ensures your O-ring, X-ring, and Z-ring chains are thoroughly cleaned without any damage to their seals. The included lubricant significantly reduces friction and provides superior protection against wear, moisture, and corrosion. This extends the life of your chain and ensures a much smoother operation. With the durable nitrile gloves and specialized cleaning brush, you can tackle even the most stubborn areas. These tools keep your hands clean and make the entire lubrication and degreasing process much easier. This compact kit is designed for convenience, fitting easily into your motorcycle tool kit, bike bag, or garage setup. It simplifies chain maintenance, making it accessible wherever you are. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for thorough chain maintenance, including both cleaner and lube, plus essential tools. If you're new to chain care or want an all-in-one solution for easy and effective maintenance, this kit simplifies the process. It ensures your chain is not just lubricated but also properly cleaned for optimal performance and longevity. What people say. Number 1. Chain Lube Aerosol. This advanced formula is engineered to reach deep into the pins and bushings of your chains. It ensures every critical component receives optimal lubrication. It offers excellent protection against rust and corrosion. Your chains will stay strong and perform reliably, even in harsh conditions. This product forms a robust, water-resistant barrier. It keeps moisture out, preventing damage and extending the life of your chain. By leaving a durable protective film, it significantly minimizes wear and drag. This leads to smoother operation and improved efficiency. Experience less friction and a longer lifespan for your chain. It helps maintain peak performance for all your equipment. Designed for versatility, it is suitable for use on all types of chains. This includes sensitive O-ring types, providing comprehensive care. What we like. This aerosol lube is engineered for deep penetration into chain pins and bushings, offering superior rust and corrosion inhibition. If you frequently ride in challenging, wet conditions and need maximum protection against the elements, its water-resistant formula is ideal. It leaves a durable protective film, ensuring minimum wear and drag for a long-lasting chain. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points based on the given requirements. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.